Hey guys, what is up? I know I look absolutely crazy right now, but today's video is going to be using the James Charles mini palette, so keep watching.
Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, okay, so recently I got the James Charles mini palette and I'm super excited to use it and see what kind of a look I'm gonna come up with. If you haven't seen this palette, it is absolutely gorgeous. There are so many colors and shades and ranges, so I'm actually really excited to get started. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. I know definitely I am really attracted to this crystal blue here. And a couple of these purple shades. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but hey, it'll be fun nonetheless. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I think I'm going to take this blue shade here and I'm going to work that in and kind of start that as my base color. So. So next, I think I'm gonna take this darker matte blue right here. I'm just going to fine tune the contours in my eyes. I think next I'm going to take some purple into the inner corner and about the outer half of both of my eyes. So I am going to use this dark purple color here. I think I'm going to take some of this metallic purple and I'm going to go on the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to take this metallic-y darker blue right here. I'm going to do the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take this neutral here and I'm going to go ahead and clean up under my brow bone area. I'm going to take a little bit of this Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas and just apply it to the center where we have no shadow. Okay, now I'm going to really give this look a little pop by adding this crystal blue metallic-y shade. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit more of this darker purple and just kind of smoke it out a little bit more in my crease. I'm going to take some of that metallic blue that we used in the center, and I'm going to go on the inner corners out into the purple. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Glide On Gel Eyeliner Pencil. And for the top line, I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Alright, and while we're at it last, we're going to go ahead and do lips. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Liquid Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Echo. And then to top it off, I'm going to use this Apocalyptic Beauty Lip Topper in Cold Fusion. Alright guys, here's the finished look. I do have to say that I did really like the Morphe James Charles mini palette. It was a lot of fun to use. The colors performed beautifully. I do really like the crystal blue that was on here. I did really enjoy the purples. I look forward to playing with this palette a lot more. The only thing that I did wish was a little bit better was the shimmer in this purple here. Doesn't really seem to transfer from the pan and the finger swatch or brush to the eyelid. But other than that, that's the only trouble that I had so far with this palette. I do really like this neutral color here, and I feel like it goes very well with my skin tone. Trying to find one light enough that isn't pure white has been difficult. So I did really like this palette. If you guys have used this palette or the regular James Charles palette, please tag me in your looks. I would love to see them. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.